Look at my face. Like I could have killed a lot of people.
Oga. You don't wear cloth too. Charles is fitting. Wait.
It's okay. It's okay.
This your trouser, eh? Oh, this laundry people. Which kind of iron be this? Eh? You know, see, I'm very.
So as you see this thing now, I resemble woman. Now crop top be this have been abuba.
Oga, na the raining style be this o.
Now wetin you wear be this? As na raining style, why you no sew for yourself?
Na raining style.
Oga, shut up. I say bush baby no dey wear condom. You go give me my money for my material.
Oga, see wetin I show for you. This is the modern style.
I this talk. You go give me my money for my material.
You go show this style finish. I go show style
now,
for you.
Why you no sew this thing for yourself since na
No be you say ma show the modern style for you. This na the modern style. Turn. See am. See the back. Everything fitting. You know dey see.
So now buba na modern style.
Abi wait, this your the way this way iron this thing sef. Wait, ma check your.
Buba na modern style for your place. Crop top buba.
This na.
Crop top buba. Oga.
Wait.
No, na police.
So, here we are professional. So
na police station this thing go settle. More dey go abi ma go bring police station come here.
Oga, we are professional. We don't.
No be one police
If
o.
you have issue with this cloth now, you tell me. Oh no, I don't like this angle. Help me to adjust it. I will adjust it to.
Which angle?
I don't like this angle.
Wait.
Adjust it.